Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Serious tension right now in Rivers State. We brought you up to speed a few days ago that the Rivers State Assembly has given Governor Sim Fubara a 48-hour ultimatum to come present 2025 budget to the House. Or we did not see, maybe all popcorn, but we did not see what the all was, and Governor Sim Fubara initially, probably, he didn't really get the message. And when he did, he was like, honestly, sincerely, truly speaking, what's going on here? What ultimatum are you really talking about? He said, by the way, 27 lawmakers, you guys are illegitimate, illegal, and whoever has given you opportunity to be in the assembly complex to be able to make decision is deceiving you, you and you. He said, listen, you've got no power. To start with, there is no honoring of your assembly ultimatum. Okay? Fubara replies them. While they are waiting for him to come, I know this will lead to a trigger of impeachment, but we wait patiently to see the outcome. Let's not preempt what will happen. However, Sim Fubara has replied the assembly saying, listen, guys, I'm not honoring your ultimatum, okay? Do your worst. Do whatever you want to do. There is no honoring for you. The Rivers State government has firmly stated it will not honor the 48 hours ultimatum issued by the State House of Assembly, demanding that Governor Sim Fubara represent 2025 appropriation bill as reported by the nation. The House, led by Martin, had on Monday given the governor until Wednesday, March the 5th, to submit the bill following the Supreme Court judgment. In a letter addressed to the Speaker, dated March the 5th, the state government clarified that it has not received official communication from the Assembly. There is no communication from you. What we saw was on social media. So how can you give us an ultimatum on what you are imagining that we heard? The government pointed out that as of the close of business on March the 4th, neither the governor's office nor deputy office nor the accountant general office had received letter that supposedly was sent by the assembly on March the 3rd. The government further stated it only came across the letter on social media. Despite the ongoing tension, the Rivers government reiterated its commitment to obeying the Supreme Court ruling. The letter, signed by Dr. Tommy Dangogo, the secretary to the state government, reassured that the governor would implement the judgment once the certificate true copy was received. The government also stressed that it was in close communication with its legal team to ensure compliance with the law. The contradictory and the whole controversy surrounding the 2025 appropriation bill follows the recent Supreme Court ruling, and political observers are watching closely to see how the situation develops. The governor's office has expressed confidence that once the legal processes are complete, it will take the necessary step in the best interest of the Rivers State people first who got him into office, and not certain people who feel they are the Lord of all. It is time we prove to them that no man is God, and we must do what is right by the people of Rivers State. The people of Rivers State gave the first and foremost opportunity for the governor to be a governor and to serve them. So every and any other thing that is being thrown at the people is totally, completely unnecessary and will not allow it to continue. We know what these people are up to, but we will not pride them in giving them what they want. We are waiting patiently to see the latest development. So this is what is happening. Governor Sim Fubara has since replied through the secretary, has replied the assembly, saying, you said you are sending ultimatum, or is ultimatum, what is it called? You're sending ultimatum, and this ultimatum is basically in your head or on social media. There is no official communication as a result of that. There is nothing saying, okay, this is what is going on, this. There is no official communication. So what exactly are you guys saying? And how did we get here in the first place? So these are some of the questions that are being, asked, and everybody is feeling and trying to understand, make sense of, because the situation right now is very alarming. Oh yes, very alarming. When you don't put your trust in God and you begin to look at man for direction, this is what happens. You see, man as his way can only do what he can. Oh yeah, and man has what they have their selfish interest to put you under. A man we want by the time you move, bam, you say, hey, I have made him, I've made her. He's now unruly, he's now proud, he's now this, he's not that. But God will not do that to you. So you see, man, oh dear, oh, somebody say, oh dear, oh dear. That's how men are. They want to keep you perpetually down, cast down and out, head bowed down, so that you can continue to be their slave while they lord it over you. You see what Wike is doing. See for yourself. Just see for yourself. This is the same Wike, yeah, the governor who is saying, I brought him to office. I brought him to office, so nobody should tell me otherwise. I brought him to office. Yeah, you are in the office, it's the office, because he wants to what? Collect money. And he's still the FCT manager, minister. He has served as a governor for how many years? 8 years. Nobody disturbed Wike, not one day. But today he wants to lord it over the others and show that he is Wike. And we're not saying Fubara is a saint, so don't get me wrong. That's not the call for question at this point in time. Fubara himself is not a saint. So don't think that we are saying, oh, Wike is the devil, Fubara is the saint. Good call, bad call. That's not the call for question at this point in time. We are just saying that people need to begin to, if you want to do something, trust God. Because when you look to man, these are some of the results. Man will forever want you to be indebted. Forever you'll be indebted. And the day you move, bam, you say you have become proud. Your pride is spraying perfume. Everybody can perceive it from a mile away. Maybe you're just being yourself. Only God knows. Anyway, Wike, you done the show in power. The power when if you say nine give unto himself. Man, when you get small power, you want to show to the other person that say you don't rich. I'm telling you, I'm the one. And it's very, very, it stinks, honestly. Please don't forget, we all need one another. And so when we say what is not right, we speak out so that people who needs to rise up and do something will do it. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.